Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know I look rough. That's because it is 12:45 now, p.m. actually, and I'm exhausted. It's been chaotic for me. This hair is from Mslynn's hair. Mslynn hair is a cute box, cute packaging. So they sent me a hot comb, got some nails, a wig cap, a comb, and it also comes with brushes. It comes with this. That's cute. So this is a hair. Don't mind the hair. Right now it's looking rough. That's because I plucked it. I literally did all this. I did all this plucking not too long ago. So it's been a crazy day for me. So it's not hot combed yet. This is literally freshly plucked, freshly out the box, and freshly plucked. So this is what the hair looks like. It's beautiful. It's really long. This is 26 inches, and this is a body width 26 inches. So this is supposed to be the breathable wig. As I'm watching the video, I realized I overplucked my frontal, but it's okay. It gives us a natural look. So I'm gonna start with the basics, which is foundation for my knots, and I really bleach my knots, which I need to start doing. This just gives it that more natural look. So right now we're just testing it out to see if it fits, and I've already cut off the hair ties off camera because it's just easier for me that way than like doing it on camera. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just gonna cut out the extra laces that I don't need. Yeah, and I hope you guys do enjoy the rest of this video. I will talk to you guys later. this is the next day. The hair looks rough because I slept with it, and yeah, this is what it's looking. But I think I really overplucked this wig, but anyways, it looked nice. I love it. It looks, in person, it looked better, but on camera it looked overplucked because you can kind of see the cap. But anyways, I'm just trying to work with this baby. Styling, trying to hot comb it, make sure the part is perfect. So this is what we're doing, and the hair is really big. Like when she brushed it out, and like right now it's probably I slept with it, so it's looking big and rough and stuff like that. But I love this wig. It's full, it's very thick, and it's long. So the curls can stay longer, and this is the look the next day. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I ended up putting rollers in the hair overnight, and then this is my makeup look. And I'm off for my graduation photo shoot, and I can't wait to show you guys the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Bye.